We live on a farm, and so have different farm animals from pigs and goats and chickens, have plenty of dogs around and just different things, and have had different things over the years, but we enjoy living out where we're at in the outdoors. My wife and I have been married for 28 years. We have 11 children, and we have been extremely blessed with the children that we have. We have been foster parents over the years, and through both birth and adoption and guardianship, we have been blessed with a number of children. And so we love obviously being parents, and our family, our youngest is 13, my oldest is 21. I remember going the morning to get the heart cath done, and I hadn't asked anybody what's this going to cost. And I have good insurance, but I hadn't used my insurance through the years, so I knew I would have a deductible. Then after the procedure kind of came, okay, well, what is this going to cost and how much? And I didn't really give that a whole lot of thought, except that I just knew I'd have to deal with it whenever the procedure was over. Having ClearBalance be able to come in and at no interest and make it work for me, that feeling was equally as good as it did to get a good report that, hey, your health is doing good. It was a wonderful process to be able to, and then for me to also be able to control that, because now I can go in and I can look, I can get my balance, I can see those things. Having total access to that is so different than when you're at the hospital and you have this letter that you get each month, you need to pay this amount. ClearBalance just makes it very smooth and stress-free for me to be able to make that payment each month. One of the things that I experienced that I remember was the people on the other end were so compassionate and so caring about, hey, we realize that this happened to you, and you didn't necessarily plan for this. People don't plan for this necessarily, but we want to be able to help you with the part that you owe, and then began to explain the program. And whenever that person explained, and I just felt from the very beginning the ease of, I didn't have to say, well, I could pay X amount. They were like, what would you be able to pay? How much could you? What would work into your budget? If you have a choice of a hospital of where to have a procedure done or have tests done, I think it's very worthwhile to look in and see if they offer ClearBalance.